You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new Patek, I had the white, so I two-toned them.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Yaya's Corner, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys what rice water did for my hair. I got some amazing results already on the very first try. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you are aware of when I post a new video, and let's just get straight into this. Okay, so starting off, you're going to need two main ingredients for your rice water. So I'm going to be using distilled water, and I'm also going to be using long grain rice. Now, I've seen a million tutorials, and a lot of people use different types of rice. They use brown rice, jasmine rice, basically any rice. So I'm just going to go ahead and use long grain rice, and I got both of these from my local Ralph store, or you can get it from Kroger. For my measurements, I'm going to be doing 1 cup of the rice, and then I'm going to go ahead and clean my rice first. And I'm just going to use regular tap water, but I'm going ahead and pouring the rice into some Tupperware, and then I poured just some regular tap water in, switched it around. I see some people like to clean the rice first, and then I'm going to pour out the water, so I'm left with some nice fresh rice. So now I'm going to go ahead and take my distilled water, and I'm going to measure out 3/4 cup of that, and it was enough water. At first I was kind of concerned, but it ended up being enough. So I'm taking that 3/4 cup of distilled water, and I'm pouring it into my 1 cup of long grain rice. And basically what I'm going to do is close the lid and allow it to ferment for 24 hours. By allowing it to ferment, you get more nutrients out of the rice. So as you can see, the rice starts to get cloudy, and that is basically the nutrients of the rice. And basically what rice water is going to help your hair do is going to help stop shedding. It's going to help reduce breakage. It helps to detangle the hair, make your hair smoother, it increases shine. And it also helps it to grow really long. So it's basically like in the Chinese culture, they would basically wash their hair and then they would rinse it with rice water, and their hair would grow like really long, like 6 feet long. Like they had hair, y'all. So I'm going ahead and letting it cover and letting it ferment for 24 hours so I can get all of those good nutrients out of this. And then after 24 hours, I basically just drained it, and I only want the water part of it. You only want the water, and it didn't have any smell. I heard some people say that theirs had smell and they had to add like essential oils and stuff, but for me, I did not experience any smell. So to make this easier, I'm going ahead and taking the rice water and pouring it into my spray bottle so I can spread all my hair to make it easier. Now, to start off this process, I shampooed my hair first, and then I'm just going to go ahead and apply the rice water all over. So I am applying it to freshly cleansed hair. I did not condition my hair at all. I just washed it, and I'm just spraying it all over. Now, from spraying it all over, as soon as I sprayed it, I did notice my hair already starting to change. It started to become more stiffer, and that kind of concerned me at first. I was really on the fence. I didn't think I'd be able to detangle my hair, but for some reason I was actually able to detangle my hair, and I was extremely shocked about this because it does say that rice water is supposed to help with detangling your hair, helping to make it smoother and stuff like that. I was actually able to detangle each section with no problem at all. So rice water is really good for helping detangle your hair, and also for like helping to stop the shedding. I noticed I didn't have as much shed hairs when I detangled it. Like overall, I just noticed a huge difference right away. So I do plan on doing these rice water like treatments once a week. So every time I wash my hair, definitely I'm going to start incorporating this, because they claim you can grow your hair really long, and I'm trying to grow my hair long, y'all. So definitely about to start using this. So I just went all over my hair, section by section, kept applying even more rice water and detangling my hair, and this is the amount of shedding I had, very minimal, and I was very happy about that. And I basically just left it in my hair for 30 minutes, and look at my hair, like it was already kinking up. It definitely helps with the texture too. Like if you have any heat damage, it helps tighten up your curls and really help restore elasticity as well. I noticed a huge difference in my hair right away. So this was actually shocking for me to see my curls like tighten up right before my eyes. Like makes a really good like protein type treatment. So I'm going ahead and leaving that in my hair for 20 minutes. Okay, so quick disclaimer. I'm about to rinse this out of my hair. I'm leaving it in for about 10 minutes. And I just took it out of the scrunchie, and the curls in the back look so tight. Like, they look way tighter, and this is my most loose, more damaged area, and it really tightened up the curls in just that short period of time. So I honestly feel like this product will be good. Well, this rice water will be good also if you have like any heat damage. Just try this out to help tighten your curls. But let's rinse it out and see what it does. I haven't seen the back of my curls this curly in so long. Okay, so I decided to end this video without a voiceover. I want to come straight and talk to you guys. I just rinsed the rice water out, and my hair feels extremely stronger. My hair hasn't felt this strong in so long. Like, even if I do regular protein treatments and stuff, it doesn't feel this strong. So I'm really shocked with that. I'm shocked that it was able to tighten up curls in places that I haven't seen it tight in forever. So I'm very shocked with that. I definitely feel like it helps improve the elasticity in your hair. When I first applied the water, the rice water, it made my hair feel a little stiff. Like, as soon as I applied it all over, sprayed all over, instantly it felt more stiff. And then I actually was shocked that I was able to detangle with this in my hair. Like, I could detangle with just rice water. That was shocking. And then after leaving it in for about 10 minutes, I rinsed it out. There was a slight smell, nothing too harsh, but my hair just feels stronger. My curls feel like they're more curlier. I definitely feel like in the next wash day there will be less shedding, even more less. So I'm excited to see what rice water is going to do for my hair. I definitely feel like it's going to help with aiding in hair growth for me. I'm just overall shocked with the results so far. So if you guys want to see updates and me continuing to use rice water, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post. And yeah, I'm shook. Look at them kinks coming in. Look at them kinks coming back. Look at them curls, okay? That's why I like to see that thick, kinky hair. Alright guys, I will be seeing you guys on my next one. Bye.
Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows.